Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is a special day. I'm going to be opening up both my mystery boxes that I got from loving supporters and friends, and I am going to be deciding on if I'm adding into the giveaway, which I will be able to decide when I see if I get any duplicates in here. We got two different sizes, so I figure why don't we start with the small one and work our way up. This was the first one. This one was supposed to have, I think it was 4 items inside of it. Let's open it up. Alright, here goes. Okay, I think I know what one of these is. I think I got a mini jawbreaker. Let's open it to be sure. Yay! I did! I haven't gotten the mini breaker yet. Excuse me, I think I'm getting a cough. I have not yet gotten the mini breaker, so I'm excited. I'm gonna open it just to remind myself what this baby looks like real quick. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. What's on my arm? Next item, got a velour lipstick in Soul Sucker. Ooh, stop. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing. Look at the orange flakes in it. Ooh. And I don't have that, so I'm keeping that. That's awesome. And I got Cherry Wet. So excited, so excited. Ooh. Oh my God. That pows. Oh, wow. I love it. Keeping it. And I got a bullet lipstick, which I have just started getting into, so that's awesome. Some lip ammunition in brown sugar. Oh my God. Do you see it? Ooh. That's hot. Do you see that gorgeousness? That is amazing. Brown sugar is that bitch. Oh, I love it. And that's our first mystery box. Now let's get to the big one. I think there's apparel in here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Wait. Now I'm a proud owner of the Can't Relate shirt. Let's take it out. There's a graphic on it, like besides the Can't Relate. Oh, stop. I'm so happy. Oh my God. There's another mini jawbreaker in there. Looks like I'm giving away your choice of a volume of your Norvina collection and a mini jawbreaker. The gloss. The gloss. I don't have any. Oh, Sky High. Come on, girl. Ooh. Wow. It smells yummy. It smells like vanillas. Okay. You know that my camera has problem picking up glitter, and that is still picking up because it is that amazing. Oh my God. Bless. We got another lip ammunition, but it's a different one, so I'm gonna keep it. Candy Freeze. You see that? Oh my God. Yes, baby, yes. This is like an amazing box. I got a liquid lip in Soft Serve. Ooh, that's beautiful. Yes. This guy, so good. A liquid frost. I don't have any of this yet. I am so excited. Yeah! Liquid frost in Goddess, and that is my favorite word. I'm so excited. Oh, I thought this twisted out. See, learn something every day, boo. But then where does it come out? I'm confused. Oh. So you press it and then you pull it and it pulls it into the thing. I got it. I'm a weird swatcher. Ooh. I like it. I like it. Ooh, mystery frost. I got a skin frost. It's called mystery frost. That's upside down. It's called mystery frost. What? What? Oh, okay, girl, hold on. It's like buttery. Oh, that's beautiful. And of course you can't see it on my camera. I'm sorry. Get this guy. Mystery Frost. What the fuck? This is beautiful. It's so soft when I touch it. I'm not even close to surprised. I love it. And there's one more thing in here. I'm so excited. I do not own a Jeffree Star mirror yet, but I do now. Okay, hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? All I want to do is go smoke pot and sit in my Jeffree Star shirt and be in awe of the happiness that this has brought. I only got one duplicate in this box, but in my opinion, it's a good duplicate to be thrown in this giveaway. So just remember, I'll be pulling a winner on Halloween night and posting on here for you to see. And I'm going to be giving you your choice of volume 1, 2, or 3 from the Arena collection, as well as the mini Jawbreaker. It's just a good news day. Thanks for spending some time with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and turn on your notification bell after you subscribe so you never miss when I make a new video. Bye!